my boat lifting someone else's first. Turns out I'm absolutely blind. They are lifting out my boat. Hello and welcome to what is going to be the pilot episode of my new YouTube channel, which is going to be dedicated to all things boat fishing out of Weymouth and Portland. Seems to be a little gap in the market. People down at the Solent, people down Eastbourne, and sort of jumped to Devon, but no one seems to be really doing anything around this neck of the woods. I thought I'd give it a go. Here we are on the runway of the marina. This is the vessel. 640 Pilot House, a galley and gallia. Me and two mates wedding together, which is a wonderful way of splitting the cost of owning a boat. Keeps the cost down for each individual. A quick look on board. There's the igloo. There's the anchor with the ordinary ring. Obviously rod holders, bait table, etc. Just climbing boards. You can have a look inside. Standard setup, split battery system. Just had that done. Stereo. Hummingbird fish finder, tablet with navionics. Gonna go get some fuel in a minute from the fuel pontoon. That's actually quite roomy inside as well. Definitely sleep two people. Just some bits and pieces in here. But yeah, it's a nice boat. We like it. Turn the camera around. See the rest of the marina. That's where they fork you in down there and walk you across. And it really is a wonderful setup. Really enjoy it. Love being here. It's a lovely flat morning. I'm not sure it's going to be flat when we get out there, to be honest. The wind does pick up. Okay, so we're out. We're just before Lulworth Banks. I was hoping to get onto the banks a little bit further, but yeah, there's a bit of swell, residual swell as I thought. The wind's as light as it's going to be, and the tide is slack at the minute pretty much, which means this is as good as it's going to get. And we are rocking about, as you may be able to see. So we just erred on the side of caution. Just got one rod down at the minute. Some baited mustard sabiki feathers for some bream, slightly bigger hooks on these rigs. I find it just avoids the smaller bream if you do hook the bream. Like I said, I'd like to be a little bit further on, but we'll see what happens anyway. We'll see how the footage comes out, and yeah, we'll go from there. Oh, on the bottom, oh, we've got something. Might have something. Dogfish. Oh, get in. Well, that's the problem. I've caught my other line and a pout. Not a blank, but this is a nasty tangle. Brilliant. Put this one back. Oh, this is nasty. This is very nasty. No, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to save this. Let's have a go. So I've tangled both rods like this before. Bloody typical, as you're trying to do something on camera for the first time. Let's see what we can sort out, if anything. I'm not bloody sure I will, because this is horrendous. Something's on this one, let's turn it a bit. Probably another pout. Hey, bollocks. The rod was definitely going. Unfortunately, we might have gone a bit early. It's taken the bait, taken the hook. Send it back down. Sod's law as the tide starts to pick up a bit, which means the fish might be a bit more active. The wind's going to pick up as well. Let's put the noise cancelling fuzzy thing on the mic. If it makes any difference to me monotonous voice or not. Oh, oh. Oh, I can't tell if that other rod's just bouncing or Frank's having a bash at it. Probably just bouncing, getting thrown about a bit, but something small, if anything. I don't think there is. Well, what can I say? Second of the day. Little guy looks alright. Getting back in. Yeah, some bait's being taken, so some little bits down there, but if I told you bream are usually a pest around these parts, you wouldn't believe me seeing today's footage, but they usually are. Okay, I think the wind's just starting to pick up. The fishing isn't picking up. It is sun in the eyes there. Yeah, it's been very slow in this spot, so I think I'm going to attempt to haul the anchor. Maybe just move on a bit, see how it is, and give it another hour or so. I mean, this is just a trial run anyway, footage and everything else. But yeah, it has been. Oh, there you go. Oh, I don't know. What do we reckon here? Yeah, looks like something might be on that. Let me just pull this up. Either snagged or something's on it. You know what? Can't bloody tell. I think I've got something big on this. It's a huge bullhuss. Oh no! Oh, he's, whoa! Oh, I don't believe it. He's just come off. That's what happens when you don't get a net. Oh, this is all going on video. I'm going to edit a ton of shit fishing out of this video. Distance there, Bat's Head Reef, White Loaf, Bat's Head, there's Bat's Head Reef, Bat's Head Reef. Try again. Oh hello, look at that. I think that's going. Yeah, that's going. Oh, I better jump on that. Whee! Okay, this is jumping up and down a bit. You could be forgiven for expecting a bream. Hey, get it on the boat. Finally, target species, a good size for the table. I did say they do come in. That's a nice bream actually, which is why I go for these bigger rigs. Yeah, it's alright. It's coming up about 36 centimetres I think, so we'll get it in the box and yeah, get it back down. Do just a couple more actually. Oh, hello. Yeah. We're in again, I think. Yeah, could well be another bream here. If it is, I don't think it's that big. If it's not that big, we'll put it back. Yeah, it's a small one. Oh, it's a lovely colour. Oh no, it's not that small actually. Yeah, no, I'm not sure about you, mate. Yeah, no, I'm going to put you back. I don't think you'll be too fillets to be that good. Down you go. Oh, look, they're definitely in now. Bream a drop almost, potentially. Just needed that tide to turn. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Oh, hello. The other rod's going now. Oh, this one's fighting a bit, and the other rod's going. Oh, what we got? Yeah. Oh, that's why the other rod's going, because I've got my bloody line again. Ah! Right, we need to try and, oh, that's a decent sized bream. That's a cracking bream actually. Well, I say it's cracking, it's good enough. He's bending away. Right, we're coming in. Oh, something on that, maybe. Who knows? But we're coming in. We're done. And haul the anchor. Oh, hello. While I'm doing that, guys, there's quite a bend on this. Oh. Okay. Camera's rolling. Ah. Ah, last but not least. I reckon it's going to be a conger or another bullhuss. Ah. I've got a bit of dead weight. Oh, look at that bad boy. Okay, so we do have another bullhuss on the line. Get the net, I will. And he's in. Look it out. I'm gonna get the engine started, get the anchor hauled. Curling up, mate. Dogfish do the same. Beautiful fish though. Let's get him back. Go on, mate. Fucking hell's that got? Yeah, like that. That was not what you wanted. This video's got it all. Never lost the anchor with this. Never snagged. But God, it's a pain in the arse. And it's dangerous, look at that. Yeah. Anyway, first of all the boy got caught. And yeah, I thought he was going under the prop again. I am going to turn this off. Thank you. I'll catch you back at the waves are crashing back in one piece. With the boat washed down. Bring her in there. Beautiful day back in the marina. Salty breeze, a sweet embrace underneath the sun's warm grace.
Oh, the ocean calls my name, dancing tides, forever the same. In the twilight where dreams are made, on this beach I'll never fade.